Of course, women should have the ability in a society to fulfill their potential in life. The
so
society,
you won't be able to support a Taliban government that doesn't allow that? Is that what you're telling me?
No. What I'm saying is that you cannot impose women's rights from abroad. It's never happened in human history. But what you can help them, and that's why the international community should engage with them, they should incentivize them to educate their girls, their women. They will get their rights. Afghan women are strong. Our government has passed the maximum number of laws for protection of women. We have not only incentivized parents to send their child to school, we have a special program where we help women the real problem is rural women. In even Afghanistan, there's a difference between urban women and rural women. So we are actually empowering them in rural areas, how they can improve their living, giving them loans. My family, one of my sisters is a doctor, one is an economist, one is a businesswoman. We have strong women in our family. Why? Because they were educated. I believe if you educate your women, they will get their position in society.